Hello, myself Manoj Kumar Patnaik. I am a global citizen. I am working as the International Director of Lead India Foundation, and at the same time I am working as the Director of Give Globally Foundation, which is registered in USA to work to end extreme poverty as per the global goals of the Sustainable Development Goals. My aim is to see no zero hunger and to alleviate poverty from the world, starting from my own country. I want to see my country hunger and beggar free country. That's why I have already started a program, Hunger and Beggar Free India, that can be successful only by working as per the global goals, because global goal is having all the objectives, all the ideologies that I do have. That's why I support global goals and the global citizen initiative from the bottom of my heart. I have started this career, I have started my career in the thought that someday or other I will be able to eradicate poverty from my country, from the society where I am living, from the whole globe. That's why below my organization you will find that let us make a just world, and social economic justice should be given to each and every person. I started my career to end extreme poverty from 1996 by working together with the 24-hour famine 24 hours famine started by World Vision of India, and then I worked with Christian Children Fund to support the children for the corresponding activities, so that more and more sponsors can come forward and work for the poor children, or sponsor the poor children. In that view, in 1998, I started teaching poor people English language, poor students English language. Because I thought that English can be used as a tool for poverty eradication. They can compete in the interviews, they can compete themselves in the employment opportunities, they can work together in the BPOs, KPOs, LPOs, and in this way they can they can work together, or they can get good opportunities to gain their to eradicate their own poverty. So that is why I started doing this. And in 1999, I started teaching poor youths the subjects which can give them government jobs. Like I prepared them to prepare for the government jobs, like staff selection commissions, combined defense services, bank services, BSc, all these things. Then in 1999, I started one organization called Youth Action for Tribal and Rural Innovations to alleviate the poverty from the society as per the Millennium Development Goals. So that is the way, but in that I did whatever I was doing in the past to empower the youths, to empower the women, to educate the girl child, so that they can come out of poverty. So that is the main reason of my life, to eradicate poverty. Because of that, I joined the IBS research team, ICFI Business School research team, and I researched a lot many topics, especially human rights, poverty eradication, third world restorative justice, child labor and all but like these topics, and I wrote many books like human rights and business, human rights in intellectual property rights, and but human rights of poverty, human rights of migrants, all but these are the books that are published by me. And finally in 2011 I become the part of Lead India Foundation to network, nestle and nurture the NGOs across the country, India, so that they can come together to alleviate extreme poverty, to end extreme poverty. And in 2012, I started a rally of more than 15,000 kilometers to make India hunger and beggar free. And for women empowerment, I do have 7 goals behind that rally, and that rally was supported by almost 2,582 NGOs across the country. So that is, I hope that is the big power for me to end extreme poverty, and I felt inspired to work more and more on with eradicating poverty. And it is, I am fortunate that in 2015 the global goals came to exist, and United Nations declared the Sustainable Development Goals, 17 Sustainable Development Goals, and as per those goals, I tried my best to join myself in the in the Sustainable Development Goal concepts, conferences, meetings, and all these things. But as I am a common person. I am not that much popular. I am not having that much you can say I am not having that much popularity. So, but I did not get the opportunity to work with those people or to attend those conferences, because those conferences are generally attended by high profile people, well known organizations, and all these things. So I started International Conference on Ending Extreme Poverty, ICEEP, from 2016 to 2019, so that I can give the people like me who are highly interested to end extreme poverty can participate in the conference, can share their ideas, can share their knowledge, can share their concepts, and come together and work to end extreme poverty by 2025. It is the target that we had done. So I think through global goals, it is very easy for me to end extreme poverty, to bring zero hunger in the world. And that is why, that is the reason why I am proud to be a global citizen. Thank you very much. Thank you.